false. So we have 3-4 sub questions. First is Sn equals to root 2 plus root 8 plus root n plus blah 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 blah, and the final answer is n upon root 2 into 1 plus n. This is what we have to find out whether it is true or not. Okay, let's solve this. So solve this first. Root 2 plus 8 is what? 2 root 2, right? 4 into 2, 2 outside, 4 becomes, take the square root of 4, 2 root 2, plus 18 is what? 9 2s are, right? So square root then 3 root 2 plus blah blah blah. Okay, so a equals to root 2. What is the common difference? You see, it's one and the same. So common difference is 2 root 2 minus root 2, that is 1 root 2. Similarly, if you check for second and third also, it will be same thing. Okay, so a you got, d you got. Therefore Sn equals to what? N upon 2 into a root 2, right? A is root 2 plus n minus 1 into d, that is also root 2. Solve this. N upon 2 into 2 root 2 plus n root 2 minus root 2. Getting it? So 2 root 2 minus root 2 is 1 root 2, that is root 2. Therefore root 2 plus n root 2 and n upon 2 as it is. So take root 2 common. So n root 2 upon 2 into 1 plus n. What we are solving? We are solving Sn, right? So this root 2 and 2, it can be cancelled. So n root 2 upon root 2 into 1 plus n. Solve this. It becomes 1 n upon root 2 into 1 plus n. And what is the question? Same. N upon root 2 into 1 plus n. So the statement is true. Next.